What's that? How do we celebrate? Let's do a giveaway?
You got fire burning right there in your eyes. So when you got
What's going on, guys? Kelvin here and welcome to 320 Tech. We are officially one of the biggest online groups that provide the best Apple Watch faces. I mean, this is absolutely mind-blowing. What started out as just a small page with just a handful of people posting some watch faces to now this. I'm not sure about you guys, but I'm extremely grateful to be a part of such a special group that's able to produce such high quality content free for everyone to use. My very first video, how to install and set up Clockology, has received an astronomical response from the community. And because of that, it's so close to hitting 250,000 views on YouTube. For someone like me, that blows my mind. I honestly feel so blessed to be able to make videos that are able to help every single one of you guys out, and I appreciate all the support that I've received from you guys over my past 9 months on YouTube. So you know what? It's time to celebrate. Do you guys know what this is? It should look very familiar to you guys. Can you guys read this? Do you see it now? Yep, you got it right. That's an Apple Watch. This is a brand new Apple Watch Series 5 44mm space gray GPS and cellular. Don't be confused though, because this isn't mine. It's actually yours. Well, not just yet, but it could very well soon be. In today's video, to celebrate 250,000 members on Clockology fans and my very first Clockology video approaching 250,000 views, I will be giving away
250,000 Apple Watches.
What? That's not in our budget. Sorry guys, maybe I'll save that for next year's video. I will be sending one of you guys this brand new Apple Watch Series 5 totally free of charge. So how do you guys get this Apple Watch? It's really simple. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel 320 Tech, and make sure that the bell notifications are turned on. And lastly, comment below telling me why you guys love Clockology. And that's it. It's that simple. This is all totally free to do. It won't cost you guys a single cent. It doesn't matter where you live in the world. I will personally pay to have this watch sent out to you. So after 1 month of this video being uploaded, on the 12th of May, I will choose one subscriber at random to gift this amazing and totally free Apple Watch Series 5. So make sure that you guys subscribe right now if you aren't already, because it would be devastating if I were to choose your name and you'd have to be disqualified because you weren't subscribed. I think that with all the devastating things that are happening all around the world right now, this is my way of bringing something positive to our family and saying thank you to every single one of you guys for watching my videos. You guys work so hard to provide our group with so many amazing watch faces, so this giveaway is the least that I can do to say thank you to every single one of you guys for helping out this whole community. So before I go, to enter this giveaway, just like this video, subscribe to my channel 320 Tech, turn on the bell notifications, and leave a comment down below telling me why you guys love Clockology. Exactly 1 month from now, on the 12th of May, I'll be contacting one of you guys to organize the shipping details for your brand new Apple Watch Series 5. So make sure you guys enter, because don't you guys want a free Apple Watch? If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys want to get some free Apple Watches in the future. Anyways, thanks again for watching and I'll see you guys next time.